to the marina to get on our ship. Ships are pretty nice on the inside. Oh man.
Okay, everybody, come this way. The table at the end of the day, it's behind those trees over here, yes? On the left hand side and on the right hand side over here. Two on this way, one on this way, yes? And at the back over here, we have one stairway to going up to the second floor, and also in the front, we will have two stairway over there to going up to the second floor. Yeah. The first thing, when tomorrow you're doing the Ninh Bình Day tour, or you have done the Ninh Bình Day tour, the same. Yeah, it's the same. The boring boat and the.
It will be murah. Look at the scenery. $700-foot climb or 780 steps to get into the largest cave. Oh yeah, booyah. Oh booyah. Booyah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Be careful. Oh yeah. More steps. One way. Oh, nice. Yeah. Beautiful. Chamber 2. Wow. This is the second chamber. Wow, amazing. Okay. Yeah.
You're looking as like
similar
to anything?
Yeah. Similar to something. He's so bad. He is so bad.
Finger.
Wow, finger. Alright. Third chamber. Second stop. We got beach access to swim. Going out to the bay, and then a 400-step climb up and down to go to the top. We're not doing that, it's raining too much. But this is our second stop on our day cruise. Okay guys, we're here for the last adventure. Bamboo boat. That's extra. And then a 2-person kayak. The colorful one's way over there. This is our last stop, the third stop. Bye. Oh yeah, it's gonna rain on us right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right here. Right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Okay. We're in the cave. And that's it. Hello. OMG. OMG. Hey, we just took out our oar. Out on the other side. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's good. Nobody believe you. Oh yeah, the monkeys up there. Check it out.